Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. I'm so excited having you all here once again. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please don't fail to subscribe, share, like and thumbs me up. I really love it when you guys do that. Thank you all so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this new simple trending gele, and I do hope you love it. Although the one I have on my thumbnail has just two geles that look alike, but I'm just going to make use of two different colors of geles today, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made 4 pleats before placing this gele on my head. If you're going to be tying this for yourself, you also have to make sure, you have to know that the front of your gele has to be a V-shaped gele. It is very important. If you're tying this gele for yourself, you have to make sure that the both hands of your gele are equal. And then after making your pleats, make sure that you take the pleats back towards the back of your ear. Make sure that you take it towards the back of your ear so that the other hand, which is coming in front, can form a V, the way you can see me do in this video. And after making your V, then you can start making your pleats. It's very important that your pleats are well knit. Your pleats I mean to say your pleats are well laid and are beautifully done. It is very important. So after making your pleats, you have to make sure that you take your gele towards the back of your head and knot it the way you can see me do in this video. For those that are not really conversant with tying of gele, what I mean by V-shaped gele is the shape that you want your gele to form at the middle of your head. So we have the round pleats gele and we have the V-shaped gele. So right now, I'm just going to pick the second gele that I have, which is my blue gele. I'm just going to pick it and make pleats with it, place it on my head and form the normal round infinity gele we all know. So you have to take your time in doing this so that your gele actually comes out really beautiful and nice. When tying this gele, the both hands of your gele has to be equal. So I'm just going to pick this particular hand of my gele right now, and I'm just going to form pleats with it. It's not difficult at all. All you have to do is just to make pleats, round infinity pleats with this hand of your gele. You really need to take your time in doing this so that your pleats comes out really nice and beautiful. We all know the essential part of tying gele. The pleat is very important, so you have to take your time in doing this so that it really comes out nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to make my pleats right now. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele or on how to make round infinity pleats, please do that so that you can easily know how this is done and you can easily learn from them. And if you also want to learn how to tie any form of gele at all, please do watch my previous videos because they are really going to help you to know how to do that. And don't fail to subscribe and share if the videos help you in any way. So I'm just going to make sure that I keep on doing my pleats until I reach the end of my gele. When you're done making your pleats, twist the end of the gele and take it towards the back and pin it so that the rough part of your gele does not show, and so that it's hidden under the second hand of your gele, which you're going to tie right now. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did for the first part of my gele. I'm just going to hasten this video up a little bit, but it's not different with what I did with the first part of my gele. So right now I'm done making my pleats. All I'm doing next is just to make sure that I take the end of the gele towards the back and pin it. I'm going to pin it behind the first hand of my gele that I did. So the rest of this video is just me arranging my gele to make sure that it feels comfortable and it feels good on my head, and it doesn't feel like it wants to unravel. If your gele feels like it wants to unravel, please check it so that when you go for an occasion it doesn't fall. I love you guys so much, and I do hope that this gele tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't fail to thumbs me up, don't fail to subscribe and share. You can use 2 different colors of geles for this particular gele. You can also make it you can also use the same colors of gele for this particular gele. Whatever you want to do, it's also very good. It's still very good. And you can also make this gele a V-shaped gele in front, or you can make it a round shaped gele at the front. I love you guys so much, and I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. This is what the back of the gele should look like, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.